recording this quick video to show you how I found one of these weaker sources that we're using as an example for our class today, Wednesday, November 4th, and then how I use citation chasing to then find the stronger example by the same author. So I'm using this Chrome browser incognito mode so you don't see all my searches that I already did for this to set up. So it's like starting from scratch. Okay, so if I'm looking for a video or a source based on Hassan Minhaj, and I'm interested in this concept that he talks about at the very beginning, shopping haul videos. I might search something like shopping haul videos into Google. Comes up with a definition on Wikipedia, and then some hits right away on YouTube. So what I'm remembering is that Hassan Minhaj kind of makes fun of these videos, uses them to poke fun at like what's wrong with our consumer culture. So let's say I want to turn this into a question to generate a search. So if I say, what's wrong with shopping haul videos? I get an example right away from Psychology Today. So if I go ahead and click that, we see that I've arrived at the source that I'm using as a weak example. So in class, we're discussing how this is a weak example because it's short. It has a credible looking author, April Lane Benson, PhD. It says to buy or not to buy beneath it. So we're going to look into that. But this article is really only 4 paragraphs and you can read it in, just a few minutes. So this isn't really going to work for us. So what we can do is citation chase here. If we copy April Lane Benson, PhD, and to buy or not to buy, let's see if we can get some results in Google from that. So it looks like to buy or not to buy is her book. So it's on Amazon. But we probably don't want to read an entire book, or if we wanted to read the book, we probably wouldn't want to buy it. So speaking of to buy or not to buy, let's see just for kicks if there's a PDF of this book floating around online. Looks like we're getting an example of something here. To buy or not to buy. Okay, so this could be good. It might be something like the intro to her book. We're seeing that we're getting some content here. Let's find out if there's anything. Okay, so it looks like we have access to the introduction. She's speaking directly to the reader. This is already looking like it's a lot more promising than that short article from Psychology Today. So this could actually be a really good choice for an article or a text for the segment 3 project. It is very different, for example, from the original thing you're starting from if you're starting from Hassan Minhaj's text. And so you can see here that you have access to the introduction, which is great. If we go back, we can see if there are a couple of other things that we could find. It looks like there are some kind of related sources to buy or not to buy on Google Books, which is the same book that we've already looked at. If we go to the next page, we're starting to see some other source material, for example, stopping over shopping and approach to the treatment of compulsive buying disorder. So this is from a scholarly journal. This might be a little harder to get just on Google. So this is the type of thing you could further citation chase in the library. You could also see if you could download it. It might not let you though. Gives you the abstract, which is not enough. You have to read the actual article. Shows you here that it's about 21 pages, so that's definitely substantial enough. So you can see that you can use citation chasing to start finding more robust articles or sources, even after you hit a dead end with something like this that's not quite good enough, you can still use what you found here to find something else, right? You can also attempt another approach by starting a new Google search if you want to. Type in shopping haul videos, for example. Let's say if we wanted to add critique to it to change our search, we start to see another different set of results. So we're not seeing April L. Benson anymore, but we are seeing some different things. So you can also search for a different type of source if you want to. So there are videos that talk about shopping hauls, some that are good, some are bad. So there are a lot of options here.